Today we'll learn using CANVID to create a tutorial, very similar to what you are watching right now. In this tutorial, let's use Audacity, which is an amazing open source audio editing app. Another thing I have here is a video file we can use as an intro video for our tutorial. I'll teach you how we can insert this video later. Now, we're not going to tackle how you can make your own intro videos, but there are plenty of resources online where you can create one. Okay, let's start. When you're screen recording other apps, the best choice would be display. This is because there are times that window mode won't be able to capture drop-down menus. Why? Because sometimes drop-down menus are rendered by the OS as a separate window, which makes them invisible. Of course, this isn't always the case, but to be very sure, I'd recommend choosing display. So in this recording, we won't be using webcam, but we'll make use of the microphone. When ready, let's start recording by clicking the red button at the center. Okay, so my microphone is set to mute so I can keep talking. Now at this point, I'm gonna play the intro video and set it to full screen, like so. Done. Now let's get back to Audacity and I'll unmute to start the actual tutorial. Hey guys, here's how you can add a new mono track in Audacity. Just go to Tracks, Add New, then choose Mono Track. That's it. Thank you for watching. Alrighty, let's end the recording. Okay, so we're in the CANVID Editor. I'll just delete all the Zoom segments for now so I can just re-add one later. Much of the first part of the recording is full of unnecessary parts. This is where the cut tool comes into play. Remember, we played an intro video while recording, right? So what we'll do is just cut the parts that we don't need. Also, for the background, let's set the padding to 0. And finally, let's crop the recording so it only shows what they need to see. So the entire video only shows the intro and the actual tutorial. Easy peasy. Let's hit play and see what we have so far. Hey guys, here's how you can add a new mono track in Audacity. Just go to Tracks, Add New, then select Mono Track. That's it. Thank you for watching. It's very noisy, right? But we'll fix that in a bit. Cool. Let's add a zoom where it matters. Just add here. Make some fine adjustments right here until we get what we want. Let's change the cursor style and size for this video. There. Then we'll also use CANVID's transcript generation to add highlighted text to our sample tutorial, just like so. I'll leave a link in the description so you can learn more about this feature. Lastly, let's enable CANVID's AI-enhanced voice clarity to ensure that our audio sounds clean and without those background noises. Cool. Let's check one last time. Hey guys, here's how you can add a new mono track in Audacity. Just go to Tracks, Add New, then select Mono Track. That's it. Thank you for watching. Now that's awesome. So we're ready to save the video. Click the export button at the upper right corner. Let's give it a good title. Okay. Keep the frame rate to 60. Then 1080p, but of course if you're using a 4K display, feel free to choose that option here. Then ultra quality for the best quality possible. Now we don't really need to use create a share link because we're uploading our tutorial on YouTube instead anyway. But I'll leave a link in the description if you want to know more about creating a share link. When you're good, click export to file. Done. Now you have an MP4 file of your screen recording, complete with an intro, and ready to upload on YouTube. So with CANVID, it's quite easy to create your own high-quality tutorials for your viewers online. Thank you for watching, guys, and for more tips and tutorials, feel free to follow and subscribe to CANVID. See ya!